see what toys we got now.
What toys have we got?
It's got the radio engine in it already.
Yes.
Matilda engine, one of them. Matilda gearbox. Stuart front. And then Dell is over the front, undoing straps.
What?
Nothing, I'm talking to the camera. Look at that. Gilbertson diesel radio engine.
Right there, Sarge, are we ready?
Yeah, let me go around the other side. Slowly. Oh, we might end up. That's all the spares that came out of it. That's the radiator off the Matilda, I think. Brand new rubber track. Well, old rubber track, but it's not been worn out. And then we got a load of metal track, rubber backed metal track here. And there it is, Stuart number 2. You want to go that way, Dal? There we go, 4 tanks in a row. Little tiny things, these Stuarts, compared to the Grant, makes the Grant look really big. This one here's got some suspension issues, but we have got a lot of spare suspension parts. Some new wings there. They look nice. And this one was set up as a dozer, and you'd control it from sitting right the way up here. Interesting. And in the back, this is the other Matilda engine. So in theory we've got both the Matilda engines and the gearbox and both the radiators. But it's quite a bit of work still. Some new bits here and there. Ah, there you go. Nice. Good rubbers. In fact, they've all got half decent rubbers. This here is the top deck of the Stuart, but upside down, obviously. Will fit on the other one, hopefully. Spare rear idler, rear bulkhead, lower transmission front. Lower hull sides, I think. New motor, Del.
Yep. Get it out there.
You need a bit of T-cut on that bonnet of yours. I think it's a little bit holy.
Yeah, it'll be alright. We'll put a bit of T-cut and a bit of chemical metal on it. It'll be fine.
That's a big old gearbox I've chucked in there. It's like a
Bigger than that other one.
Ward gearbox or something, isn't it? And we've got all these brand new wings. Yeah, probably drives still if you got it started. With a clutch and what looks like a radial engine crank and the coil rods. And the back wings, sprockets. I think this is this is the other manifold, maybe, for the radial engine. I'm not sure.
Do that for an oscillator.
Yeah. She's done a bit of work in her day, hasn't she?
It'll be alright, bit of T-cut should be fine.
Yeah. I reckon this one's for you, Del.
Yeah, I'll rag this around. I've got rubber tracks so you can go down the road.